Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Gemini Endpoint. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Cloud Console and create a new project. This project will serve as the foundation for all your Gemini API interactions. Ensure you have billing enabled, as API usage often incurs small costs. Next, we'll enable the Gemini API within your project's services. This crucial step grants your project the necessary permissions to interact with the Gemini models. Once your project is set up and the Gemini API is enabled, the next step is to generate your API key. Go to the APIs and Services section, then select Credentials. Here, you can create a new API key. Remember, this key is like a password, so keep it confidential. It's highly recommended to add restrictions to your API key, limiting its use to specific IP addresses or applications, enhancing your project's security significantly. With your API key in hand, you're ready to integrate the Gemini endpoint into your application. You'll typically use a client library, available in various programming languages, to make calls to the API. These libraries simplify the process of sending requests and receiving responses. Your code will include your API key to authenticate these requests. After sending your prompt, the Gemini model will process it and return a response, which your application can then utilize. To ensure smooth operation, always monitor your API usage through the Google Cloud Console. This helps you track costs and identify any unexpected activity. Regularly check the official Gemini API documentation for updates, new features, and best practices. Staying informed will help you optimize your integration and leverage the full power of the Gemini models. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.